It's a bedroom. Everything is cleaned out. Behind the TV, baseboards. The walls are wiped down. Surfaces are clean. So all this is cleaned out. In here is a room. This room is cleaned out nicely. The problem is there's a problem here. We can't open this, so we only could clean one side and not both sides of the window. There is a clothes washing machine here, which is also we wipe down. So make sure that that is nicely done. For the new people moving in, mop the floor. Same here, wooden floors, nicely mopped. Right, nicely mopped. We use Murphy oil to wash it nicely. And then down here, same thing, cleaned out. Bathroom nicely cleaned out. Over here, both sides, inside, all this nicely done. So the new people moving in will have a beautiful place. This room, same thing, windows, baseboards. In the kitchen, inside, this cleaned out nicely. Everything is cleaned out. Inside the refrigerator, also cleaned out, right? And then over here, the stove top, same thing, cleaned out. Inside the sink, the doors, we clean on both sides. It just looks bad because that's just the way the glass looks. So, but as you can see, this one is clean, and then over here too, all of this is cleaned out. And then we come down to the, turn this light off, and then we come down here. All of this is cleaned out nicely. The stairways are clean. All the corners cleaned out. Baseboards cleaned out. Cleaned the mirrors. And yes, it's time to go.